Two dogs, Winston and Jimmy. They share the same story, both homeless.
There's a bottomless pit that we've been climbing from. It's just a kid on level ground. Shake your seasick legs around. Every winter in a local town. Signs of life can stop and flickering. Need a bed to lay my body down. Then with the carry down, static is lulling me to sleep. And your clothes on a chain.
Let's meet Suzanne Ash, pet rescuer, savior to all homeless pets here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Let's talk with Suzanne about Jimmy and Winston.
This is Jimmy. I have no idea what breed he is. No clue whatsoever. And I've had him. He came from the shelter. Got him about a month ago. And this is Winston. He's a pug. Say hi, Winston. Say, who let the dogs out? Winston's very mellow. He's the mellowest dog I've ever met in my whole life. Extremely mellow. He's a rescue from the shelter.